Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So the new gaming smartphone iQOO 005 and iQOO 005 Pro unveiled with a 120Hz screen, Snapdragon 865, Note 865 Plus and blazing fast charging speed. Up and coming gaming powerhouse iQOO revealed its latest flagship offering with the iQOO 5 and 5 Pro. The two devices are virtually identical throughout. The Pro brings a marquee 120-watt fast wireless charging and a periscope module around its neck. You will also find the Pro version in exclusive BMW M Motorsports flavor with the back finishes in the carbon black and white leather with BMW blue and red accent color to commemorate the budding partnership between the two brands. Both iQOO 005 and 5 Pro series phones come with a curved 6.57-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and punch hole cutout in the top left corner for the 16-megapixel selfie camera. The curvature on the Pro model is more pronounced than the non-Pro model. The panel also flew 240Hz touch response and 1300 nits of peak brightness and support HDR10 Plus standard. There is also in-display fingerprint reader and a dual stereo speaker. The camera setup on the iQOO 005 feature the impressive 50-megapixel Samsung GN1 sensor found on the Vivo X50 Pro Plus with the OIS alongside 13-megapixel ultra-wide snapper and 13-megapixel portrait lens. The 5 Pro retain the main and ultra-wide shooter but also bring an 8-megapixel periscope module capable of 5x optical zoom and up to 60x hybrid zoom. Not your typical gamer phone camera setup here. So the hardware, we have the Snapdragon 865 paired with the 8 and 12GB DDR5 RAM and 128 and 256 UFS 3.1 storage. There also a VS heat sinks that iQOO claim can cool down the CPU temperature by 12 degree Celsius. The battery department is where it gets even more interesting. The iQOO 005 Pro come with a 4000 mAh battery, support 120-watt flash charging. To give you an example of just how fast these speeds are, iQOO is claiming a complete charge from 0 to 100% will only take 15 minutes, while in a 5-minute top-up will bring a battery to 50%. There is an era of sensor and algorithms which monitor the battery cell's temperature control to prevent any damage. The iQOO 005 carries large 4500 mAh battery and setting for the less impressive 55-watt flash charger solution which take 50 minutes for a full charge. Both phones boot Android 10 with iQOO UI 1.5 on top. The iQOO 005 will be available in blue and gray paint job and start Chinese yuan 3,998 yuan equal $576 for the 8GB and 128GB of storage version. There are also 12GB and 128GB of storage version available in Chinese yuan 4,298 yuan equal $620 and 12GB and 256GB model available in Chinese yuan 4,598 yuan equals $662. The iQOO 005 Pro come with the 4-minister track version. The legendary edition color schemes and retail price of the Chinese yuan 4,998 yuan equals $720 in its 8GB and 256GB of storage version. There is also available in 5,498 yuan equals $792 for the 12GB and 256GB of version. Sales in China tip off in August 24, while internationally availability will be detailed later on. So this is the iQOO 005 and 5 Pro latest gaming smartphone. Let me know in the comment section which phone you like it, and also like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.